Salam, hello, marhaba. Today we will go through the third lesson about the numbers in Arabic. In the last two lessons, we first learned the numeral systems used in Arabic language. Then we practiced counting from 0 up to 100. Also, we talked about the logic of reading out numbers in the language. Today we will study further the logic of reading out numbers in Arabic with greater details. Definitely, I will present several examples to help grabbing the logic of reading out any number in Arabic. We will also learn how to count up to million in this lesson. But first, let's quickly review the numbers from 0 to 100. صفر واحد اثنين ثلاثة أربعة خمسة ستة سبعة ثمانية تسعة عشرة 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 19 20 30 40 50 60 70 80 90 100. Now listen closely to me while presenting the concept of reading numbers in Arabic. To remind you, numbers in Arabic are as written as in English, meaning from left to right. The common way to read numbers in Arabic is to read them from left to right with saying wa, that means and, between the digits of each number, with the only exception for the first two digits on the right of a number. They are read from right to left. To understand what I'm saying better and make it stick to your mind, I am placing here an imaginary explanation. So, each question mark here presents a digit within a number. The arrows show the order of reading the digits in numbers as in Arabic. Let's see the examples below to see it better. The first example here is only one single digit number, which is number 1 واحد. There is no order. Here, the number 10 in Arabic is only one word, although it's two digits, but only one word, so there is no order, so we just say عشرة. Number 12 in Arabic is actually read 2 and 10. So we will read it from right to left because it's two digits number. So we say اثنا عشر. Next example, 60. 60 in Arabic is only one word, although it's two digits number, so we just say ستين. But when we come to 62, it's two digits, but it has 2 and 60. So we read it from right to left. 260. So we say اثنين وستين. The next example, 80 is only one word, although it's two digits, so we say ثمانين. But when we come here, 73, actually in Arabic we say 3 and 70, so ثلاثة وسبعين. Number 100 is three digits number. We start reading from left to right. But here we don't have anything except 00, so it's only one word, it's 100, مية. So let's come to the next example, is 173 in English, but in Arabic we read it this way. We say 100, so we left with two digits, so we don't say 73, we say 100, 3 and 70 in Arabic. So 173. I think by now you see clearer the way to read numbers in Arabic. I hope you got it and grabbing it better. Now let's move to the next part. We will start counting the numbers climbing up to 1 million in two batches. The first batch from 100 to 10k, next from 10k to 1 million. Then we will have exercises to practice reading more numbers in Arabic with different combination of digits in each. That would be helpful to know how to read any number in Arabic. So let's start here. 100 200 300 400 500 600 700 800 900 ألف. ألف، ألفين، 3000، 4000، 5000، 6000، 7000، 8000، 9000، 10,000. So let's repeat that part. 100، 200، 300، 400، 500، 600، 700، 800، 900، 1000. 1000، 2000، 3000، 4000، 5000، 6000، 7000، 8000، 9000، 10,000. If you noticed, in the slide before when I summarized them, I said 3000، 4000، 5000، 6000، 7000، 8000، 9000، 10,000. It's up to you if you would like to pronounce the T between 5000, for example, or not. Both of them are common in the modern Arabic. Now let's go to the next patch, which is from 10K to 1 million. After 10K, we don't say آلاف anymore. We just say ألف. So 10,000، 20,000، 30,000، 40,000، 50,000، 60,000، 70,000، 80,000، 90,000، 100,000. 100,000، 200,000، 300,000، 400,000، 500,000، 600,000، 700,000، 800,000، 900,000، مليون. Let's repeat this part. 10,000، 20,000، 30,000، 40,000، 50,000، 60,000، 70,000، 80,000، 90,000، 100,000. 100,000، 200,000، 300,000، 400,000، 500,000، 600,000، 700,000، 800,000، 900,000، مليون. Congratulations! Now you know the numbers from 0 to million in Arabic. So let's try to read the following numbers in Arabic, knowing the logic of reading numbers in Arabic is from left to right except for the first two digits on the right of a number. They are read from right to left. So let's try to read. Here 3، 20، 23. The next examples. 50، 55. I think now you know the concept. Here 90. Here 98. Here 500. The next. Okay, here we have 3 different digits. We will read from left to right until we reach to the first 2 digits on the right. We will read it from right to left. So 573. Bravo. The next. Oh, similar. So 623. Next. Oh, 1000. It's only one word. Okay, here we have 1,100. So we say 1,100. Okay, here we have 1,190. So we say 1,190. Okay, here we have 1,190. 98. So what we will do, don't forget the last two digits here. So the order will be from left to right except for these. 1198. Excellent. Let's move to the next part. Oh, it's so similar. So 6000 6700 6710 6714. Excellent. Now let's move to the next. Oh, I love this part because it will clarify a lot of things about reading out numbers in Arabic. So let's start here with the first example. When we have a single digit number, for example number 2 here, there is no order, we just read the number. So 2. When we have 2 digits number, we will read from right to left. So we will say 2 and 30 in Arabic. So 32. When we have 3 digits number, for the example here, we will read from left to right until we reach to the first 2 digits. We read them from right to left. So we will say 402 and 30. So 432. Notice I'm always saying wa between the digits. Okay, now we have 4 digits number. We will read also from left to right until we reach to the first 2 digits. We will read them from right to left. So we will say in Arabic 5402 and 30. So 5432. Now when we have 5 digits number, how can we read that? It will be also from left to right. But here there is something we need to pay an attention for, which is for 65,000. 65 itself alone is 2 digits number. So how we read that in Arabic? We actually say 560,000 and 402.30. So we say like that. So this is the order. Let's read it in Arabic, okay? 65,432. Another one. Oh, here we have even 6 digits number. What can we do? So we will do the same thing. We will say 760,000 and 402.30. So that's what we said. Let's say it in Arabic. So it will be this order: 765,432. Okay, now let's try to read these numbers without having any arrows. So this is 11,000. We say 11,000. Here, the second example, 30,555. So 30,555. Here 18,400. Here 31,555. Here 198,712. The last number here, I think it would be easy for you to read it by now. So it is 1,999,518. We arrived to the end of this video. I hope you have learned a lot from it, enjoyed it, and grabbed what it was in it. The next lesson, it will be the last lesson about numbers in Arabic, where we will go through the numbers more than 1 million. Stay tuned and please subscribe to my channel. It will help me to grow faster. Here, I would like to thank the first 3 subscribers to my channel. It's so dear to my heart. Give the video a generous thumb up and share it with friends and family who are interested in learning Arabic. Write in the comments section your opinion about this video, what you would like to learn in Arabic, and which lessons you want me to place for you here on this channel. Thank you for watching. شكرا ومع السلامة.